Once I learned this recipe, I never stopped making it. We started by taking 2 potatoes and cutting them into small cubes. Look, nothing too complicated. Now heat a frying pan with hot oil over medium heat. Add the potatoes and let them fry until golden brown. In the meantime, let's chop an onion. Ah, the onion, always a faithful partner in recipes. Add to the frying pan and fry until everything is golden and beautiful. In a glass bowl, add 2 eggs, oregano to taste, salt, black pepper and mix everything together. This is the part where you can put on a little cooking show in the kitchen. Top up with the onion and golden potatoes and mix again. That smells great. Return to the pan, add a touch of olive oil and pour in the mixture. Cover and cook for 10 minutes. Enjoy and do a little dance while you wait. After 10 minutes, turn everything over and cook for another 5. That's the secret to making it perfect. And here it is. Our delicious and very nutritious meal is ready to be enjoyed. Look at that. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to like and follow our page for more great tips. Bon appetit and see you on your next culinary adventure.